Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the MTN 8, Orlando Pirates 2, Durban City 1. I'm joined by Simthembile.
Sure, Steve. No, let's start with sad news. Michael Ngambule, Ace Ngambule, former Kaizer Chiefs development player. He has played for Kaizer Chiefs. He played overseas, France. He played for SuperSport Black Leopards. I think in Duana Yalai Davidton. It was one of my former favorite midfielders. So Shonile today. Then let's move to positive news. Today, Bafana appoint Pitso Musimane. Let's congratulate to Pitso. Today. Uzbamba cash. I think Pitso deserve because he is the most successful coach scenario in Africa. 21 trophies, 3 CAF Champions League, 3 Super Cups. He coached one of the big team of the century, Al-Ahly. So I'm wishing Pitso Musimane all the best. We have good young players. Abo Siema, we want them. Good national team. We have Abo Pili. We have many good players. I think Orlando Pirates is the only team with PSL. I think A7 Sagakli home ground with their support. I think it's a spiritual background. The arena. Kuna something Magula. Even if they don't play well, but they know how to get results. I think today they didn't play well. But the fighting spirit, let's give credit to the physical coach, Goodrich, the guy from Tunisia. You see the intensity, 120 minutes, they are running. But you can't run the whole 120 minutes. You need sometimes to control the game. But if the players they are used fans to that intensity. Ozumba, my police, you can see the fans are panicking. But let me congratulate Pirates. Also, it happens they play very well today. I'm wishing them all the best. Let's hope Abazom Osho coach, but they have a history of Osho coach. I'm impressed with defensive organization yabo. Nabungana performance yake, which means une correct umfana because I was scared to go to Orlando ngekabuyi. I'm impressed in my new players, the Pirates. This guy is Lalelest Pautsane, this guy Tony, the way he's playing number 59. So he's a very good player. Typical Orlando Pirates winger. Unkumbuza abo Dihang Mabalane, Vincent Pule, abo Giftile Remy Tukutuku Makanya. It's a typical Orlando Pirates. It seems like it's gonna be a good season. I like the young players. Let's hope Uguti Nati tomorrow is a winner's tipo. I congratulate Pirates. They play very well. They show Uguti by a game, although they are not at the highest level. The player Muti to come to the party today. Because the Leninga challenging Yam Kawat. I am congratulate. No Stipo Nagli discard. I'm short social and FNP most success.
Thank you, leadership. Leadership is moving up. We beg